Hello everyone, this is Nimish and today we're going to review the movie Oru Muttasi Gada with Oru Muttasi Gadha. I am not sure how to pronounce it, but this movie apparently had mixed reviews. One of my friend had messaged me immediately after watching this movie and he said that it brought a smile on his face. He liked it, he enjoyed it. But then many of my followers, especially those on Twitter who interact with me, said it's a crap movie, it's a flop movie, it didn't work so well, and it's just the same old thing again and again. I enjoyed it. I'm still getting a feel of these kind of entertainers and comedies or so-called light-hearted movies in the Malayalam film industry because I think most of the ones which I've seen are either the young age kind of love stories or dramas, but I've not seen comedies slash entertainers much. And so for me, this was a delightful experience. It was an overall amazing movie for me. I laughed in the movie throughout. I enjoyed the dramatic portions of the movie, and I enjoyed even the flashback, and the unique way they told the flashback and the unique twists that come, as you go on with the story. So I really enjoyed this movie. It is one of a kind. In fact, one of my friends who's in Bollywood, he's an AD right now, assistant director, and he's worked with the biggest people. And he was speaking to me saying, "Hey, I just want to watch some new South movies, and could you recommend me?" Actually, I recommended him Oru Muttasi Gada because it's something that is very different, and it's something very light-hearted, very warm, very gentle, and something very interesting as well as entertaining. And it also in the second half has shock values. It's very surprising in commercial entertainers. It has like so many things that are unexpected happen in the second half, and the story goes from like a wide range. Like it starts in one way, it feels like it's stuck in the same area and it might be stuck there, but then in the second half it just expands and keeps expanding till the movie ends. And so that's what I really enjoyed. The writing is completely comprehensive, and I felt like I've watched this complete film. It's not just like in these days I've noticed that most movies focus their film, so the films are more focused and one area oriented. Examples may be Pink, for example, is a Hindi movie. It was more focused around the courtroom case. Nirja was focused around like the flight or something like that. The whole movie happened in a flight. So yeah. So such things are very more common these days as you watch movies. They are more focused in their approach. But this felt like something more expansive. It went into different territories, it went into different zones. In fact, part of this movie was also like a road movie, so that was also thrown in there to add to the enjoyment level. And so overall, I really like this movie, and I think that it was thoroughly entertaining, and I think the performances were up to the mark, just as it would be for any entertainer. Nothing extraordinary, nothing bad either. And so it was great. Vineet Srinivasan plays a special appearance in the flashback. He was fantastic. I think the story idea is by Nivin Pauly, and I don't know why I find him connected with him in everything that I really like in the Malayalam film industry. And also, Srinivasan sir comes in for a small scene, which is absolutely fun to watch. So this movie overall really delightful, something that I would highly recommend to anyone because it is very much a universal film. Might not have worked, I'm not sure. I remember it got good reviews and good feedback when it released. Maybe some people didn't like it, some people did, but I enjoyed it. So I'm going with 3.5 stars for Oru Muttasi Gada. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care.